How to find the best pocket option discount code. Now in this video, I'm gonna be using a Google Chrome, but you can also use any preferred web browser from your end. You can also do this method from your phone or your laptop. So let's head to it. Now in your search bar, all you have to do is just to visit a specific site called wethrift.com. Now, this site offers is providing us a certain amount of codes and discounts for us to take advantage which, and this is gonna be free. Now, once you're here, just head directly for search stores and just simply type in pocket option. Now, choose on pocket option result, and in here, as you can see, there are multiple amounts of discounts that we can take advantage with. So before you go back to Bucket Options official site, just head here and then just choose on your desired amount of discount that you can use. For you to have a unique characters of these codes that you're choosing, just click on copy code and then you can go back to Bucket Option. So that's it. That's how you find the best Bucket Option discount code.